Well, I guess I'm making a part two. Hi guys, I'm in the middle of unwrapping diamond paintings and I accidentally shut the camera off. So I'm just going to pick up where I left off. And this is one I thought they sent the wrong one, but they didn't. This is what I ordered. Oh, this order. Oh, this whole order. Yeah, from now on, if I place an order, I'm waiting for the previous one to get shipped. See, they give you them coupons after you place an order, though. You know? And you feel like you got to use it real quick. And then they combine the order, and it's just too much. You know, big to begin with. Alright, so we've got this chick here. Let's look at the thumbnail. And I liked all the color on her. That's cool. And let's look at the canvas. So those, if you have multiple blues and yellows and greens, pinks, and the crystals, you could at least do some of them. Maybe not her face. Maybe her face if you have any fairy dust or ABs. But I think these could be crystals, like they're lights. I think it would just look nice. You know, it's art. How real is it going to get? So we've got 15 colors. It's all alphabetical and in order. There's two of them. We've got a regular kit. No baggies. Let's look closer at her eyes. Got all kind of color up in there. Okay. Looks good. Oh no, here's the kit that came with that one, but it's the same thing. And her colors. 15 colors. So a lot of browns. So you see the color where you need to see it. So it looks like the whole canvas is lit up. I thought it would be fun to work on. Okay. That's that one. This one, I've been looking at it for a while. Look how folded places of some of these canvases are, you know? Oh. I got some work to do. I like this top sheet too. Oh no. Oh, they got glue all over the place, man. Really? Why is there glue down here? Ah. All right. I've been playing in the kitchen today. I've been doing all kind of work, taking stuff. The landlord came. He's letting me put some bins in the back of the garage. So I was digging stuff out from deep, deep, deep. And then I realized that what I had didn't need to even take up all that room. Most of it is junk. Let's get rid of it anyway. So it was like, I'm in purge mode around here. I wanted to purge the food, so I fried up a half pound of bacon, 2 pounds of chicken tenders today. Cause just get them cooked, so there's something to reach in the refrigerator for. Do it all now and be prepared, cause I don't want to be cooking. It's hot, you know. So that's what we're working with her. We can pretty much see where they're going to go right from the start. I guess she's from India. She got the red dot on her forehead. Yeah, I like it. There's enough design to keep you occupied when you start building a block or some kind of curve on there. You know, it's interesting type of irregular patterns. And it's got a good focal point. You know? I like this. This is lots of cute little work to do. Like, that's what diamond painting is about sometimes. You know? What kind of creative state of mind are you trying to get into? You know, what kind of thoughts you trying to trigger? And this would be creative for me. Yeah, it's all about the details, the little designs. Okay, hold up. Okay, I'll do at least 2 more. Since I screwed up and made it a double video and don't know where I am in space and time anymore. So this one I sent to Diamond and Jules. She didn't have many people. Well, now she's got some Elsas. You know, she's buying a lot of scenery. So I was trying to give her something different. Okay, I don't know what toolkit this was. I think it was the last one. That chick, I think that's a 3-placer. This one is a regular toolkit. And this little girl has got 22 colors. Oh, this isn't the right one. This isn't the right one. I'll have to get that one out too. So I didn't send this to anybody. Okay, this is just another little girl that I like. I think, yeah. Because she's holding a bird. Dobby, I gotta walk over the dog. Okay, so here's a good look. That looks pretty clear to me. Oh, she's so sweet. Look at that sweet little face. I gotta take you back. And we've got a pine tree up there too. Got a nice old house. There's no flowers. Where's she sitting at? She's sitting on a rock out in the yard. Looks like. It's pretty good. So let's see her 22 colors. And there's a lot of browns in here too. I think the other one is cuter. She's got more sunshine in the other one. But I thought this house was nice. And the single pine tree back there, standing up. Little butterfly in her hands. All right. They sent the wrong one. Where's the good one? There it is. Okay. So this was 30 by 30. This is 30 by 30. This one comes pre-kit. I don't know. I'm not risking it. Do that now. Well, it's right over where... Okay. LZ04 30 by 30 from Temu. Girl blowing kisses in the sun. Regular toolkit. Dobby, move. I didn't fix the plastic. I'm going too fast. There's so much to do, and I'm not doing it now. There's no way. Okay, here she goes. So much sunlight. So yellow. My childhood was very yellow. A lot of natural golden light coming in the house. And then my mother had a lot of golden accents, like curtains and carpet. And everything was gold, 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 gold. Except for the pool. The pool was blue. I liked the pool. So she's blowing little kisses. That's so cute. And a little Pomeranian or something? No. Something else. That's a little fuzzy dog. That's so nice. So she's got 20 colors. And there should be more yellow. Where's the yellow? Where is the yellow? It might be this here. Like the white to this yellow, maybe to this orange. Unless there's another color hiding in there. Could be. So she's real nice. Alright. So let me write this girl, butterfly girl. From Temu. And I guess let's do one more. This one was a freebie. Is everything folded? Why is there a dog ear on everything? What is going on? I don't even want to roll it, because then they want to kind of stay the wrong way even. This has 20 colors. And I got my Eiffel Tower back. It's a much smaller version. You know, I never should have did what I did on that other canvas. I am a butthole that, you know, sometimes I don't like myself very much. But I got to tell you, I gave myself permission to do it. It was an acceptable loss. I was like, go for it. Vent that frustration out, man. You got to take it out on something. A couple dollars for a diamond painting. You got how many? Go ahead, go for it. So I did. And, you know, kind of regret it, but I needed it at the moment, apparently. Okay, so here we go. With some awesome city. Looks like a nice evening. With trees. Hopefully the green is in the trees. Probably that. It's gray-green. Let's look at it. So it's some O's and some P's. That's really the tree. B's. So it's all alphabetical all the way down to 20. Doesn't look like they totally blacked anything out on me here. That all looks good. Well, it's back. background. You're not supposed to see detail from that far away. Look at all them stairs. This is so awesome. Panoramic. Little chair, maybe? No, it's the steps, post to the steps that go another way, like down to the water, maybe. There's boats out there, I think. Okay. Yeah, so those are nice colors on there. Look at the cobblestone. Let's look at that. Let's look at the cobblestone. I like cobblestone. Let's look at that green going across the bridge, too. Like there's trees going across the bridge. Focus. There it goes. Okay. So I'm sorry the video came in 2 parts. Maybe I will upload this part right before I go to sleep or something in the morning, early afternoon, because that's the way I do it around here. I hope you all enjoyed seeing what you saw. Sorry I didn't get to say goodbye on the last one, but it happens. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace out and God bless.